Hi everyone, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you all how to make fried fish. The type of fish that I'm going to be frying today is pollock. I have 2 pieces of pollock. Only thing that you will need to make some good fried fish, guys. Get you some yellow cornmeal. You're going to need salt, pepper, and over here I have a skillet with oil in the pan. Not too much. Let me show you about how much I have. See that? Just enough to fry 2 pieces. That's all you need. Alright, so what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go ahead and turn up our oil to a medium-high heat. Okay? And then we'll come over here and we want to season up our beautiful pollock. Just like so. Make sure your pollock is, if it's really wet, make sure you pat it dry with a paper towel. Okay? Ooh, let me open up my pepper. Beautiful. Get you some pepper on there. I'm just going to pepper one side and then we'll salt both sides. Just like that. Everything I make in this kitchen, guys, is so easy. A lot of fun to make, and yet it tastes so good. You hear me? All right, put you some salt on. Just like so. Okay, now there's been a lot of people asking for fried fish videos, and I do have 2 fish videos. If you all haven't seen it, check the channel and check it out. I have a battered fish video, and then I have a fish video like this. But give it a check. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Okay, and this will be the 3rd fried fish video. I hope you all enjoy it. Try this recipe, make it for your family and friends, and just watch them, guys. They will be like, oh, well, can I have some more? So simple. All right, while we're waiting on our oil to heat up, we're going to then dredge our fish down into your cornmeal. And this is just a plain yellow cornmeal. Let me show you. See this? Absolutely. And now I'm going to make my husband some perch tonight. And this is what he likes. This is a seasoned cornmeal. And it's a fish batter. Okay, and it has a little bit of heat to it. This is how he likes his. And you can broil this, bake it, or fry it. And it has almost a reddish tint. But if you haven't tried it, give this a try. And you're going to do it the same way. Okay? I'm not videoing his perch. I'm not a fan of perch. So I'll just cook his after I make this. I love pollock. I love haddock. And I love orange roughy. Those are the fishes that I like. Now, I grew up on whiting. Whiting is a beautiful fish also. Yes, it is. I'm going to turn my heat up on my oil because we want to definitely make sure that that oil is preheated to 350 degrees before we put our fish in. Because if we put our fish in the cold oil, it will not turn out right and it'll be very, very oily. So you want to make sure that oil is nice and hot. So we're just going to kind of pack this yellow cornmeal down onto the fish. Absolutely, just like this. Okay? And while we're waiting on our oil to heat up, I'll put the video on pause and then I'll come back and we're going to fry us some fish up, guys. Be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm ready to fry my fish, but first I want to make sure that my oil is nice and hot. So we'll put a little bit of flour. And see how it sizzles right away? That says, hey, I'm done. But if you take that flour and you do that and your flour soaks to the bottom, like it'll literally ball up and soak to the bottom. That's cold oil. All right? So then you just kind of shake this and you lay it nicely down into your pan. Very careful, guys, because you do not want this to splatter up onto yourself, okay? All right, I'm going to grab this piece and I'm shaking it off. You just want to lay it down in there just like so. Don't go in with a fork. Don't go in with a spatula messing with it, okay? Because right now what's happening is it's starting to form a nice, beautiful, crunchy batter right now. Okay, so we'll just let it be. This is on a medium high, and once you start seeing a golden brown color right around the edges, that's an indication that it's time to turn it. Okay, tonight I'm making fried fish for you guys in hopes that you all will make it and let me know what you think. Absolutely. Oh yeah. Okay, just let this go. Once I start to see golden brown, I'll come back. Okay, everyone, I just wanted to chime in on our fish. All right, don't go in with your spatula just yet. Okay, I can start to see a nice golden brown color starting to form, and it looks just beautiful. Like I said, this is on a medium high. I don't like to turn my fish up to really high because when I do that, I feel that it burns. It comes out darker than I would like it to turn out. So we're just going to let this go. I'm going to move my oil around just a little bit. Okay? And here in a few minutes, we'll go back in and we'll turn these over. And when we turn them, we're just going to be really gentle. Just really nice and gentle so that they don't fall apart. Be right back, everyone. Okay, everyone, you can start to see around the edges that it's nice and golden brown. I'm going to go in with the spatula and I'm just going to flip it just like so. I'm going to be very careful not to break it. Oh my. Just take your time, guys. Just flip that bad boy. There we go. And it is just a little difficult to turn sometimes, okay? But just take your time and make sure you don't splatter yourself. Okay, there's that. Beautiful. We got 2 pieces turned over. And you can tell already just how flaky this fish is going to be. Look over here. See that? That's nice and flaky right there. Oh, guys, all you need is some Italian bread. You hear me? Woo! Put you some mayonnaise on there, some hot sauce, and you got a fish sandwich. Woo! Or you can do the tartar sauce. Guys, this right here is what it's about. You make this, and they're going to say, what? Who showed you how to make this? And you all are going to be like, Gina Young? Gina Young showed me how to make this. Absolutely. I am enjoying sharing my recipes and my family's recipes with you all in hopes that you all will make it. This right here, and it's funny because when I make fish, guys, I don't know why, but my house does not smell like fish ever. Anytime I make fish. I mean, at the most, my house will smell like I've been frying chicken all day. You know, but even when I make the perch, I'm not a fan of perch because I feel like it's really fishy. My husband loves it. But my house just doesn't. It doesn't smell of fish when I fry my fish. And I love that. Because I don't think I would make it as often if it, you know, made my house smell fishy. But it doesn't. It never does. Okay, and this is still on a little bit. I turned the heat up, the burner up a little bit higher than medium high. This is almost done and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, the one side got done. I'm flipping it back over to the first side one more time just to get a little bit more color. Okay, and these bad boys are done. Is there a certain time? Absolutely not. You just wait until you get that desired color that you would like to have. Like this one here. Oh, that's the color that I'm looking for. Absolutely. And the deeper the color, the better the taste. So keep that in mind. Absolutely. We're getting ready to take these out. We're going to give these a try. Hoo-wee. All right, guys. See, and they should be very easily to pick up. I'm going to put them on a cooling rack. Underneath my cooling rack, I just have like a cake pan under there. All right. Oops. I'm going to turn this on this side. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to turn this pan off because I'm going to use this pan later for my husband's perch that I'm going to cook for him. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take those little bits and pieces out so that they don't burn when I put my husband's fish in. All right, we'll give this fish a good 5 minutes to set and cool down so I don't burn my mouth. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a little tiny bit of salt, guys, literally like this much, okay? And I'm going to sprinkle it on the fish here while the fish, see that? While this fish is still hot. Just a little pinch onto both of them, okay? When I come back, we'll try these. Check them out, guys. Be right back. Okay, everybody. Fried Fish 101. God bless this meal. Thank you, Lord, for feeding me a meal today, taking care of my family, and blessing this YouTube channel. Lord, I thank you for all your love, your favor, and abundance. Please forgive me for my sins. We love you, Jesus, and we thank you every day. Amen. Woo! Let's go, guys. Okay, so right here I have some sriracha. And I have chili sauce. I think I'm going to use the sriracha today. You gotta have hot sauce, right? So we're going to put some on this plate. Look at that. I should have put it in a little bowl, but it's okay. Ooh, that sriracha's got so much flavor. Here we go, guys. I want this part right here, and I want you all to see just how flaky and how tender. Ooh, look at this. Let's see if we can get a good view. Look at that, guys. You see the flaky beautifulness? And look how crunchy. And you see those spices, that salt and that pepper? Hold on, I'm going to give you guys just a little bit of hot sauce. Look at this. Give it a taste, guys. Taste right there. Ooh-wee. As I bring my camera down, look just how flaky. Oh my word. This right here, this is that fish that you all remember growing up on, that grandmom used to make. Or you all have went to any fish fries or fish at the church. This is that fish. That old time fish that we all remember cooked in the cornmeal. Absolutely it is. Fried Fish 101. Look how flaky, guys. Oh, taste right there. A little bit of hot sauce. Just a little bit for me because I'm not a hot sauce fan. Oh, my word. My word. Look at this. Oh, and look how crispy. Is that beautiful? Tell me, guys, is that beautiful? Taste it. Taste right there. So beautiful. Flaky and tender. Taste right there. Oh, my goodness. Flaky on the outside. I'm sorry, crispy on the outside. Nice and flaky in the inside. Woo! This is what I want when I think about fish. This right here is what makes me happy. Look at that. I mean, like, that's like love. You hear me? I don't know which one to take. Look at this. Look right there. Okay. I'm not even kidding. It's just so good. What I like about this fish is it's boneless. I only like to fry the boneless fish because I hate to serve fish that has bones because you really have to be careful. We don't want to pierce anybody's throat with the bone. See that? Oh, look how crispy and beautiful. Just time and patience is all it takes. And being very gentle when you flip this over. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And you all can do the same. Mmm. Mmm. This is pollock. Try it, guys. I don't feel like enough people try pollock. It's so good. Pollock, haddock, cod, orange roughy. Absolutely. Those are great fishes. And whiting. Whiting is beautiful. Mm-hmm. Make sure y'all subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload an awesome video. You don't want to miss any of these videos. And as always, God bless. Have a great night. Thank you all for watching. Good night. Taste that right there.